What are subconscious impressions? What are the subconscious mind blockages? How to remove subconscious blockages? What fuels imagination? How do beliefs influence our decisions? How decisions shape your destiny? While you cannot change your past or present circumstances, you do have the ability to alter your feelings and influence your future. Learn how to craft your destiny by watching this full video. Namaskar, welcome to Get Inspired Spiritually, a place to find yourself and awaken spiritually. What you concentrate on and magnify generates thoughts, in turn creates subconscious impressions. These thoughts form perceptions, which in turn spark imaginations. Your imaginations give rise to beliefs, and these beliefs guide your decisions. Ultimately, your decisions shape your destiny. Impressions are formed in your subconscious mind through what you observe, concentrate on, and listen to, as well as how you interpret things and the significance you attribute to your experiences and those of others around you. You also create subconscious impressions by interacting, hanging around with people, the conversations you engage in, and the relationships you form with the world around you creates subconscious impressions. This process has been ongoing since the day you were born. Your intuitions profoundly influence what you focus on. The nature of the subconscious mind. Here are some interesting facts about the subconscious mind. Your subconscious records everything. It is always alert and awake. It controls 95% of our lives. It is built on habituation. It speaks to you in dreams. It has no verbal language. It takes everything literally. It can do trillion things at once. It is not logical. It is the feeling mind. It is 1,000,000 times powerful than the conscious mind. The subconscious is the hallway between the conscious mind and the unconscious mind. Impressions taking the form of images and stemming from thoughts, beliefs, and memories reside in the subconscious before penetrating into the unconscious mind. This process is lengthy and occurs gradually throughout the day. The process intensifies during the sleep phase. Here's a figure depicting the various types of mind. We request you to please take a look at this. Harvard University professor of psychology Dr. Joe Dispenza posits that altering our past self is difficult because the programming of our subconscious mind has become embedded within our body. Our body serves as a repository for our unconscious mind, storing past memories, experiences, traumas, beliefs, and thought patterns. This accumulation makes it challenging to change or undergo a complete transformation. What are subconscious blockages? A person is only limited by the thoughts that he chooses. Alan James. Additionally, You are conditioned to focus on, think about, perceive, interpret, believe in, and make decisions about things in certain ways. Amidst these experiences, you have cultivated certain unhealthy, unwanted inhibitions, prejudices, biases, and limitations within your subconscious mind by concentrating on what is unwanted, undesirable, and useless in your life. Some blockages are formed by the influence of those around you, and you have embraced them without question or scrutiny. It is your choice to do so. These are known as the subconscious mind blockages. Subconscious mind blockages have influenced thought process. The way you think influences your belief. Your beliefs influence your decisions, and your decisions shape your destiny. These blockages strategically impact your life. Not resolving them can threaten the very existence. Everything around you is objective, except humans, because we have the power to think. Despite the fact that you have a huge potential to manage all the aspects well, you are limiting your spiritual potential. You aren't living your dream life. You have accepted your limited existence and have been continuing your misery, which is getting coded into your genes through subconscious mind. Unfortunately, your children would also inherit this misery. If you train your subconscious mind for prolonged years, it alters your DNA. This necessitates the need to remove subconscious mind blockages and train your subconscious. How to resolve subconscious blockages? The actual meaning of subconscious mind is subjective conscious mind. It is not objective, it is subjective. It is subjective to each thought, perception, situation, person, so on. As you subject yourself to unhealthy biases, inhibitions, and prejudices, you are limiting your thinking to only certain things and ultimately your living. You are limiting your performance and activities, thereby you are living a limited life. This is not only affecting your life but also the lives of your dependents. You aren't performing well in your job. You aren't making more money. You aren't managing your relationships well. You have unpaid bills. Your business is at the verge of bankruptcy. Your daughter's tuition fees is unpaid, and you have various other problems. Thoughts that dominate your mind throughout the day magnetize your mind and attract what you had been thinking of. So be mindful of your thoughts. The good news is that the subjective conscious mind is malleable. You can train, shape, and modify it as you wish. You can also alter your genetic predispositions and potentially prevent the future suffering of your future offsprings. The subconscious mind is the most humble servant, but a terrible master. To prevent further distress, it is necessary to take charge of your subconscious mind and eliminate the blockages within it. You can overcome these obstacles by practicing mindfulness, and employing the thought replacement technique. It's straightforward. Whenever a negative thought arises, consciously replace it with a positive one. Also, you need to remember that you are not the past, nor has your body remained the same. Yoga Guru Dr. Deepak Chopra says, every 6 months, each and every cell of your body are completely replaced with new cells. Every 6 months, you are a whole new person. Concentrate on your goals, prospects, and surround yourself with people who bring value to your life. Don't hang around with douchebags. If you hang around with them, you become one of them. You are the average of the 5 whom you spend the most time with. Jim Rohn. Dispel all myths. Question everything. Scrutinize every belief and be aware of your thoughts. Keep in mind that your beliefs also shape your perceptions. It works both ways. Thus, it's important to be aware of what you believe and what you perceive. The environment you live in, people you spend most time with, movies you watch, songs or speech you listen to tremendously influences your personality, ultimately your spiritual potential. It is very important to remain objective and be unaffected by these factors. You need to unleash the power of your subconscious mind to unleash the power of you. This unleashes your spiritual potential. Training your subconscious mind alters your karmic blueprints. Please visit the playlist, The Guided Meditations and Mantras in our channel, where we have taught the transcendental manifestation technique to train your subconscious mind. It is the most effective way to train your subconscious mind. Just by spending 15 minutes, you can transform your life and craft your destiny. Please let us know what you feel about this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. We will see you soon.